आज हम करेंगे क्लास 9 ज्योग्राफी का चैप्टर नंबर 2। चैप्टर नंबर 2 का नाम है फिजिकल फीचर्स ऑफ इंडिया। चैप्टर नंबर 2 है ज्योग्राफी का, क्लास 9th का। एंड इसका आज हम जो है एक्सरसाइज सॉल्व करेंगे। तो फर्स्ट इसमें है टिक द मार्क्स। सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है द लैंड मास बाउंडेड बाय सी ऑन द 3 साइड्स इज रेफर्ड टू एज। वेरी इजी, वेरी सिंपल। 3 साइड से क्या है, सी से गिरा हुआ, दैट इज पेनिसुला। सेकेंड है माउंटेन रेंजेस इन द ईस्टर्न पार्ट्स ऑफ द इंडिया फॉर्मिंग इट्स बाउंड्री विद म्यांमार आर कलेक्टिवली कॉल्ड। ठीक है, इट्स बाउंड्री विद म्यांमार आर collectively called. What is the right answer? Right answer is Purvachal. That is Purvachal. Then Puravachal. The western coastal strip south of Goa is referred to as. Right answer is C. Kannad. So then fourth है the highest peak in the eastern Ghat is. Highest peak of the eastern Ghat is C. Mahendragiri. So अभी हम करेंगे क्वेश्चन आंसर। डिस्टिंक्शन फर्स्ट करेंगे क्वेश्चन आंसर, देन डिस्टिंग्विश बिटवीन टू, देन हम करेंगे विच द मेजर, ये फोर्थ क्वेश्चन, फिफ्थ, सिक्स क्वेश्चन, ये सारे क्वेश्चन अभी हम करेंगे। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज बाबर? The Babar is a narrow belt of land about 8 to 16 km wide, lying parallel to the Shivaliks. It consists of pebbles and boulders deposited by rivers descending from the mountains, making the streams disappear underground in this region. Second, name the 3 major divisions of the Himalayas from north to south. The 3 major divisions of the Himalayas from north to south are: first, Himadri, means Greater Himalayas; second, Himachal, Lesser Himalayas; Shivaliks, the Outer Himalayas. Third, which plateau lies between the Aravalli and the Vindhya range? The Malwa plateau lies between the Aravalli and the Vindhya range. 4. Name the island group of India having coral origin. The island group of India having coral origin is the Lakshadweep Islands. Distinguish between Bangar and Khadar. Bangar refers to the older alluvial oil found in the higher regions away from the active floodplains of rivers. It is often contains calcareous deposits known as khankar. Then Khadar refers to the newer and more fertile alluvial soil found in the lower regions within the active floodplains of rivers. It is renewed almost every year by flood deposits, making it highly suitable for intensive agriculture. Second, Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats. Western Ghats, these are a continuous mountain range running along the western coast of India. They are generally higher in elevation, 900 to 1600 km, and can be crossed through passes. Then Eastern Ghats. These are discontinuous and lower mountain range, average elevation of 600 meters, running along the eastern coast of India. They are divided by rivers that flow into the Bay of Bengal. Major physiographical divisions of India and relief contrast. The major physiographical divisions of India are: first, the Himalayan mountains. These are jung fold mountains in the north, characterized by the high peaks, deep valleys, and glaciers. Second, the northern plains, formed by the interplay of the Indus, Ganga, Brahmaputra rivers and their tributaries, and these are fertile alluvial plains. Third, the peninsular plateau. This is an ancient tableland composed of igneous and metamorphic rocks with a generally undulating surface and features like hills, river valleys. Fourth, the Indian desert. Located in the western part of the India, it is sandy plain with low rainfall and arid conditions. Fifth, the coastal plains. Narrow strips of plains along the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal, characterized by beaches, deltas, lagoons. Sixth, the island groups, comprising the Andaman and Nicobar Island in the Bay of Bengal and the Lakshadweep Island in the Arabian Sea. Contrast: Himalaya region, West Peninsular Plateau relief. So Himalayan region characterized by rugged topography with high, sharp peaks, steep gorges, and fast-flowing rivers. It is geologically young and technologically active, leading to frequent seismic activity and landslides. The relief is generally high and varied with distance ranges like the Greater Himalayas, Lesser Himalayas, and the Shivaliks. Peninsular plateau characterized by a stable and ancient landmass with a generally undulating plateau surface. It has a relatively lower elevation compared to the Himalayas and features rounded hills, broad and shallow river valleys, and a distinct escarpment along its western edge or western ghats. It is geographically stable and less prone to seismic activity. Account of the northern plains of India. The northern plains of India are a vast, fertile, and densely populated plain formed by the depositional work of three major river systems, the Indus, the Ganga, the Brahmaputra, along with them tributaries. Formation. These plains are formed by the alluvial deposit brought down by the Himalayan rivers over millions of years, leading to a rich and fertile soil cover. Extent. They stretch for about to 400 km from west to east with a wide varying from 240 to 320 km divisions. The northern plains are broadly divided into three sections. The Punjab plains formed by the Indus and its tributaries, the Ganga plains formed by Ganga and its tributaries, and the Brahmaputra plains formed by Brahmaputra and its tributaries. Significance. They are agriculturally very productive, supporting a large population and contributing significantly to India's food security. They are also well connected by a dense network of roads and railways. Short note. The Indian Desert. The Indian Desert, also known as the Thar Desert, is located in the western part of the Rajasthan. Characteristics. It is sandy plain characterized by arid climate, low rainfall less than 150 mm per year, and scanty vegetation. Features. It features sand dunes including barchans and crescent shaped dunes and ephemeral streams that appear only during the rainy season. The Luni is the only significant river in the region, and it is an inland drainage river. The Central Highlands. The Central Highlands form the northern part of the peninsular plateau, lying to the north of the Narmada River location. They are bordered by Aravalli Hills on the northwest and the widest in the west, gradually narrowing towards the east. Rivers. Several rivers flow through this region, including the Chambal, Sindh, Betwa, Kane, flowing from southwest to northeast, indicating the slope of the plateau. Extensions. The eastward extensions of this plateau are locally known as the Bundelkhand and Bagelkhand, and further east lies the Chotangarpur Plateau. The island groups of India. India has two major island groups, the Lakshadweep Island and the Andaman and Nicobar Island. Lakshadweep Island, located in the Arabian Sea. These are a group of coral islands, smaller in size, known for their rich biodiversity. Kawatri is the administrative headquarters. Then Andaman and Nicobar Island, located in the Bay of Bengal. These are a larger and more scattered group of islands, believed to be elevated portion of submarine mountains. They are strategically important and known for their dense forest and diverse flora and fauna. Port Blair is the capital of the Andaman Nicobar Island. Barren Island, India's only active volcano, is also located here.